Hello everyone, in today's video I'll show you how to download GTA Vice City on your PC or laptop. Let's get started. First, open any browser and search for Steam download. Click on the first link and select Install Steam. Once the download is complete, install it. After installation, it will ask you to sign in. If you already have a Steam account, log in. If not, you can create a new account right here. Once you've signed in, you'll see the Steam homepage. Now, search for Vice City in the search bar. Click on the result, mention your birth date, and click View Page. Then scroll down and click Add to Cart. Next, click View My Cart and then proceed to Continue to Payment. Choose your payment method, fill out the required details, including your card information and billing address, and click Continue. Once the payment is complete, go to your Steam library and open the Home section. Here, you'll find GTA Vice City. Simply click on Install to download the game. And that's it. You're ready to start playing GTA Vice City with these simple steps. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and make sure to subscribe for more content like this. I'll see you in the next video. Take care and bye.